Example 20. On page 504, find the following square root. Assume that letters can represent any real number. So this is square root of x squared plus ax plus 16. Alright, so we have two unknown right here, and x can be any real number, okay? And this is a trinomial, and to simplify this radical, you need to factor this trinomial. We learned how to factor the trinomial in the previous sections. Alright, so this is when you have coefficient of 1, right? So you can think of, you can just use C, which is 16, and you think about all possible factors C, okay? Factors of C. So 16, right, can equal to 1 times 16, or 2 times 8, or 4 times 4, okay? 5 times, there's no 5 times anything that equals 16. How about 6? 6, there's no, nothing that you can find that multiply by 6, then you get 16. How about 8? Yes, but we already include this pair right here. Now, on this side, you're trying to find the sum of any of these factors, okay, that will equal to b, which is a, okay? So sum of factors equal to b equal to a. Alright, now because c, 16 is positive, right? So you know that factors of c will have the same sign as b. Now b is 8 and is positive, right? So you know that these two factors will have positive sign. It will have the same sign as b, and b is positive, right? So positive 1, 16, 2, positive 8, positive 4, positive 4. Now, when you take the sum of each pair of factors, you need to think about which one will give you b equal 8. Look like 1 plus 16 is not 8, so not this pair. How about this one? 2 plus a is equal to, there's no way that this equal to a because 2 plus a is 10. How about this? 4 plus 4 is 8, yes. So this is the one because 4 plus 4 is a. Okay, so you'll factor this too. Let me simplify this. So you will factor this to x times x is x squared. These two factors go here, plus 4 plus 4, okay? You can start plus first, plus the factor. Okay, simplify further, you have x plus, parenthesis of 4 is just 4, and this is x plus, again, just 4, okay? Now, as you know this, these two factors are the same, so you can rewriting this as x plus 4 squared. So this trinomial can be factored to this form, okay? So let me replace this factor to the radicand, okay? So this radicand is a trinomial. So I'll just replace this radicand with this, okay? So let me rewrite the original problem. Absolute value of the radicand, right? The whole thing, x squared plus ax plus 16 is equal to this. So x plus 4 squared, okay? Again, this is not written, it means there's a 2 here, okay? So that means k is equal to 2. The coefficient k, or k root, is 2 and even. That means when you simplify this even radical, we will use the absolute value, okay? So when you simplify this, you will have absolute value of x plus 4. This exponent right here, the 2 right here, would go on top. This 2 k roots right here would go at the bottom. Okay. And then simplify, continue here, we have x plus 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay. So x plus 4 raised to the first power is the same as itself. Okay? It's not going to change. So absolute value of x plus 4 raised to the first power is itself. So again, this is the addition. So this is addition of x plus 4, and you know that you cannot split this absolute value. Okay, you can only split when you have the product or division inside the absolute value. Because you have addition, you cannot split the absolute value. Or even you have subtraction right here, you cannot split the absolute value. So this is it. This is the answer for solving example 20. So the answer is absolute value of x plus 4.